sous channel là encore. Juste un petit brief document m'a banon qui veut dire qui nous t'es moi-même avec Olivia nous t'es allé dans une manifestation et qui vraiment sorti très bien sans aucune violence, sans aucun problème, qui veut dire vraiment apprécier dans jeune sortie et pour plus d'informations regardez on a retourné sur vidéo et puis pas oublier commenter sur lui et puis pas oublier subscribe et puis comme ça nous va joindre plus vidéos à chaque fois moi poster l'autre. Et bien,
No peace! 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 No peace!
Yep.
As the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation. Five score years ago, a great American in whose symbolic shadow we stand today signed the Emancipation Proclamation. This momentous decree came as a great beacon light of hope to millions of Negroes.
Don't allow anybody to cause you to lose your self-respect to the point that you do not struggle for justice. However young you are, you have a responsibility to seek to make your nation a better nation in which to live. You have a responsibility to seek to make life better for everybody. And so you must be involved in the struggle for freedom and justice. Now, in this struggle for freedom and justice, there are many constructive things that we all can do and that we all must do. And we must not give ourselves to those things which will not solve our problems. You've heard the word nonviolent and you've heard the word violent. I happen to believe in nonviolence. We struggle with this method with young people in a...
Said that an independent task force will be looking at police department as well, and they will be coming up with recommendations to fix the issues here. Why? That's the